Hello students. Now we shall look at module 5 in energy engineering subject, that is on bioenergy and green energy. I am Professor Suresh Mane. Now the content or syllabus is something like that: biomass energy, introduction, photosynthesis process, biofuels, biomass resources, biomass conversion technologies, urban waste to energy conversion, biomass gasification. And the second part is on green energy, that is fuel cells, classification of fuel cells, operating principles, then nuclear, ocean, then MHD, thermoelectric and geothermal energy applications. Also we will see into the zero energy concepts. So these are the few questions which were asked in the earlier examinations. We will look into the part 1. So first of all, what is biomass? It starts with biomass. So biomass like wood or your agriculture waste residues, okay, even animal excreta, these all come under biomass. Biomass is biological organic material derived from living or recently living organisms. The term is applicable to both animal and vegetable derived material, but the content of energy, it refers to plant based materials. Stored in the form of complex organic compounds of hydrogen, carbon, oxygen and nitrogen. So wood also has got oxygen, that is why you can see it burns very nicely. Okay. And hydrogen and carbon are the two constituents which burn and give the heat. So biomass is a source of 5F, like food for animals, fodder again for animals, fuel, fiber and fertilizer. So when you compost it, manure it, it becomes fertilizer. It can be converted to useful forms of energy through different conversion routes. There are many routes of conversion of biomass. We will discuss them in detail. What you know is direct combustion, means wood is burnt, that you know. But there are other technologies. We can make fuels, liquid fuels, we can make gaseous fuels also, we can make charcoal also. We will see that in our discussion. So what is biomass? Biomass gets converted into fossil fuels after several million years under certain conditions of pressure, temperature, etc. These fossil fuels are finite, they are not renewable. Hence they are not called as biomass. So biomass means, as I told, like a material derived from living or recently living things. It can be from animal origin or plant origin. So plant origin means, as I told, agriculture residues, when forest residues, then trees, all these things. Even these are animal residues, human excreta, animal excreta, these all come under this biomass. So this was regarding what is biomass. And now we will also look into biogas. Okay, so biogas contains methane. So basically biogas contains methane. It is obtained by the fermentation of biomass. See, a simple example I can tell you. We eat food. Okay, our body, our stomach is like a digester. We have food. Okay, that is organic material, plant-based material or animal-based material. We eat it. Then what happens in the digester or our stomach? It gets digested. Nutrients are absorbed in the intestine, and the feces or excreta is removed. But sometimes you have gas also. You can see you will have belches. So this gas, I am talking about a human, but like similarly, like biogas plants are where we install those plants so that we can convert this food waste into biogas, and that contains methane and that can be used as a fuel. And this biomass is produced in nature through photosynthesis. Like I was talking about trees, plants, shrubs, agriculture residue and all. Solar, they take solar energy. In the presence of sunlight, they take this plant leaves and all. They take for this solar energy. They take carbon dioxide and produce biomass. Okay. So this was about biomass and biogas.